What is going on, world? Welcome back to AquaMalik. We just got this brand new 19-inch IVIISII ring light, and in this video we'll be unboxing the light. It's actually being used right now to film this clip, but watch till the end because I'm going to be unboxing it and setting it up for you guys. It's going to be a quick short video where we unbox and set up this brand new ring light, which was paid for by your ad revenues. So thank you so much for your love and support, and if you are a new viewer, please subscribe to the channel, hit that notification icon so you do not miss out on all these cool videos that are coming to you through this channel. A lot of cool stuff is going to be coming your way, so stay tuned and let's get into this unboxing and unbox this really cool ring light. I like the halo. I'm pretty sure there's going to be a halo in my eyes, which is going to be cool. I like it. I like this look. It's nice. It's nice. So let's get into it.
Produced by Malik.
What is going on, world? Welcome back to AquaMalik. We are actually doing a cool unboxing. We got a brand new ring light for the YouTube channel. So today we're going to unbox this, set it up and see how it looks. So it'll be a short video and we'll try to do it as quick as possible and really quickly look at this light. Not going to be a review or anything. Just going to see how it looks and whatever, and just pull it out of the box and so on and so forth. If you are new here, subscribe and hit that notification because there's going to be a lot of cool videos coming up with this particular light setup, as well as with all the fish that I have and a lot of breeding and care and maintenance and advanced fish keeping videos coming to you guys. Now without further ado, let's get into this video and check out this light. If you guys are regular subscribers, I know you guys have probably missed a lot of videos from me recently, and I have been going through a little bit of a slump, so I just want to apologize to you all and let you know there's going to be a lot of cool content coming, and stay tuned and hit that notification if you haven't, and join the Friday and Sunday live streams where you can ask your questions live with me as well as many other breeders from all over the world. So without further ado, let's get into this video, unbox this light. So we're going to open the box real quickly. This came in today. I really like it. Really quick delivery too. We have had an outbreak in our Amazon facility, so deliveries have been a little late, so this took like extra week, but it's here now, so I'm not complaining. Okay, so I'm guessing this is the light, and it comes in this nice big bag. So without further ado, let's just put it out. Wow, that's really nice. Ta-da! Has a little handle to carry it around. Really cool. So unzip. Quite light actually. It's a light. It's not that heavy. You'd expect it to be heavier, but it looks really nice. Really like how it looks. Really cool design. Okay. I know it's supposed to make that noise, but okay. So that's how you adjust it and stuff. There's the mount, and I'm assuming there's gonna be a tripod in the separate box. I've seen a few of these unboxings. Really cool. Oh wow, nice little package here. I guess the tripod carrying case, iPad holder. This is gonna be great. I love it. So you can put your iPad, your cell phone, whatever you want on here. And I'm guessing this attaches to the stand. Really cool. Really like that. Cell phone holders. Wow, this is really nice. Wow, these guys really thought about everything. So it's really cool. I did buy the extended setup. I think this does have battery options right there, so you can actually attach batteries. If you guys do want to buy this particular product, I'll put it in my Amazon store, so you guys can buy this exact light from the Amazon store, from my store. Helps me out a little bit as well. But yeah, I really like the idea that it does come with the option to add batteries. I didn't buy the batteries, but if I were to take this outside, I could, you know, have extra batteries and stuff like that. So that I thought was really cool. Cool little phone holder, and really cool. It came with the iPod holder as well. I showed you guys earlier, so really nice. I really like this whole setup, really cool, and really happy with the purchase. This seems to be able to hold my entire iPad no problem, so I can film with this, with the light and all that cool jazz. Really happy. Some instructions, setup instructions, cable, the ball valve to attach a camera or whatever. Really cool. Probably gonna keep that separately. Another ball valve. Check these out in a bit. I don't need all of this extra cool stuff, but I'm gonna keep all of it safe. And I got the wiring. Nice. Just put the box away. Remember, friends, recycle, recycle, recycle. It's good for the environment and your wallet. Oh, there's another box. It's kind of hard to get out of here. I'm trying to flip the box over. Okay. I do have a lot of fry. I think about 7 or 8 clutches of eggs from different plecos have been laid and hatched in the last 21 days since I started keeping records of when things are born. So I will do an update. I have a lot of fry in the fish room, a lot of different food stuff, so stay tuned. Subscribe if you haven't, hit that notification icon so you do not miss out on all the cool stuff that's coming your way. A lot of cool videos are going to be, I have planned. I just haven't, everybody goes through slumps, right, in their career or whatever it is. Nice little stand. Looks very sturdy. I'm really happy with it. There we go. Okay. Oh, I gotta flip it over. There we go. Stand. So that's how you mount it. I don't usually read the instructions, but this is one time when I was actually looking for the instructions. And the one downside to this particular light is that the instruction manual does not tell you how to mount the light to the stand. So I actually did have to do a little bit of looking through the light and stuff, play around with it, but I did figure it out. So essentially, you're not supposed to remove this little cap, which is on top of the light stand. So I did remove it, but if you are going to mount it this way, the universal union or whatever it's called needs to stay on. The cap needs to stay on, and then you put this in here. Essentially, it comes with all these little attachments where you can technically attach whatever you want to it. So we are going to be using the phone mount. And your iPod goes here, and voila. So let's turn this on, see how it goes. Alright, I got the power attachment now, so here we go. Let's plug this bad boy in. That's at full power, so there you guys can actually see how it looks. Wow, that is bright. Okay, this is just a test. The light's at full capacity and 100% at the coolest it can go, and it's mounted onto the iPad. It's all there set up properly, and we're doing a test. So if you guys like this type of content, subscribe to the channel. We'll be doing a lot of tech stuff for YouTube channels, because this channel, I'm growing it right now, and you guys are helping. These all do come from the money that I make through ad revenues. So if you haven't joined the channel, there will be a member section please join and help a brother out that way when that is available. And if you are new, subscribe, hit that notification icon, and stay tuned for all these cool updates that are coming. And also please join the Friday and Sunday live streams at 8 p.m. on Friday Eastern Standard Time and 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Sundays, which would translate to 8 p.m. GMT, which is in England. So join me on Fridays and Sundays, and stay tuned for all the upcoming videos. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video. As always, thank you so much for your love and support. I love you all. God bless you.
Produced by Malik.